choice eating.
I was just going to say, it's not fair. He always gets
that's what happens when you're tall. It seems like they're able to eat a little bit more.
That's because you're tall.
So that's a great test for him. Yeah.
Takes a lot to
Okay, you're saying allergies are bad out there, huh?
Yes. So I was talking to my friend Ray. I always bring him up, but he's a veteran pollen counter up in Vancouver for 20 years. He knows what he's talking about, and so we all often discuss what's happening. And he is like, beware. He's like, and get ready because the grass pollen. This is the actual count you're about to see. It is through the roof, and it's probably just going to get worse. We're in prime time now for it. So if you're having a heyday with your allergies, it's going to last for a while. So the grass right now really high. Trees have backed off a little bit, but there's still that juniper in the air, which is so troublesome for so many people. And he was saying that potentially the grass pollen could be really troublesome for us for the next month, but that once the farmers in the Willamette Valley start to do the big grass cutting, that relieves everybody's allergies from the grass pollen typically quite a bit. So we'll have to wait for that to happen. But anyway, for now, sometimes the rain will help give us a little bit of a reprieve. For now, we're not seeing that, though. Here's what it's looking like on the radar. And you can see that things are very quiet in the valley, and certainly a far cry from where we were yesterday. We had those nasty thunderstorms rolling just southwest of Portland through much of the metro there. Cascade Mountains, we've had some thunderstorms there. Everything's settling on down, and just a little bit of light rain really lingering in that area. Central and eastern Oregon, we've had a few scattered showers there too, but things are kind of settling down. But look at all the cloud cover, thunderstorm clouds and shower cloud blow off here east of the Cascades, but we really tapped into that flow coming in off the ocean from the coast to the western slopes of the Cascades to the valley, and so it's just been really gray, and that has kept our temperatures a lot lower. Here's a look at a time lapse from Portland here, and you can see we had even some misty conditions earlier this morning. The clouds have tried to break up a little bit, but just not enough to really warm things up. And again, we have that really big influence from the ocean at this point, a stronger onshore flow. And whenever that happens, that tends to keep the temperatures a lot cooler. So we're in the mid-60s. Our normal high is 69, and definitely a far cry from the upper 70s and low 80s where we were yesterday. For the rest of the evening, we stay mainly cloudy, no showers to talk about. So if you want to do that evening run, maybe fire up the grill, it's going to be nice for that. The winds will be light too, so really good news there. Tomorrow morning, we'll start off basically the same thing. We're going to have the cloud cover from the Cascade Mountains back to the coast, maybe even a spotty shower across central Oregon and back up through the gorge. But we go into the afternoon, and we're going to see some of these clouds try to clear out. So we're going to lose some of that influence from some of the ocean air moving in, which means temperatures will be able to warm up. So we'll top out in the low to mid 70s tomorrow, even though it still will be fairly cloudy at times, but at least we'll get a chance at some sunshine for the afternoon. This is 3:45 tomorrow, but we will have to watch out for more active weather again for the mountains, the Cascades, back across central and eastern Oregon, watching out for some thunderstorms there too. And as we wrap up the day, some of that action that develops along the mountains may try to push its way into the valley. So that would be tomorrow evening. So right as you're wrapping up that evening commute, we'll have to watch out for some of those showers to push on in. So I'll be tracking that tomorrow and keep you posted. Then we get to Thursday, and we start to see that ocean air really make its influence again over us, and that means another cloudy day, some spotty showers around from time to time for the afternoon. Meanwhile, showers and thunderstorms east of the Cascades, and temperatures are going to drop back again. Let's go ahead and take a look at your forecast for the coast. And for tomorrow, will be mainly cloudy, but also dry. Low to mid 60s for highs, and winds will stay light, northwest 5 to 10. I-5, low 70s tomorrow, becoming partly sunny, just a slight chance for a shower. Central and east, upper 60s and 70s with partly sunny skies and scattered showers, a few storms. Same thing for the Cascades. Back through the gorge, upper 70s tomorrow, and those winds will be cranking between 15 and 20, gusting to 30 miles an hour. In fact, if you like to get out into the gorge and do that windsurfing and sailing, it looks like you have a few days ahead of some good wind through the gorge to do that. Your 7-day forecast for us showing the weekend coming up soon is Memorial Day weekend. It looks cool. Saturday in the 60s, Sunday right around 70, but I think we'll see a little more sunshine Sunday, and Memorial Day itself looks pretty nice, mid 70s and some sunshine.
Windsurfing and sailing, those are two things I'd sure like to get out and try.
Yeah. It would be fun, or kiting too. I want to try that as well.
So perfect conditions out there for that.
It'll be really nice for that. I mean, the winds are going to be strong, so maybe, I don't know if it bumps the skill level up. I'm not really sure. I haven't gotten into it yet, but I've talked to some folks, and you know, usually the windier the better. They like it, as long as it's steady, right?
Yeah.
So
thanks, Kristen.